In this video, I'll show you how to delete a contact from your Android phone. You can add, modify or delete contacts with the Contacts app on your Android phone, but you can also do that with you can also edit or delete contacts with the Phone app. On the Phone app of your Android phone, you have favorites, recent or contacts, and you can search for a contact in recent or in the contacts. This is the contact I want to change, and I could tap on the profile picture there. It takes me to the contact page. I'll show you also how to find it in the contacts using the search option. In the contacts, you can search for a part of the name, and here it found it, and then you can search for a part of the name, and you have options where you can see the call history, and when you tap on the profile picture, then you see the contact, all the information, everything that's saved here, and you can edit the contact, you can add a picture, you can change the name, you could even change the phone number. If you want to delete the contact to add the same contact again with a different phone number, you could actually add a new phone number here, so you can add multiple phone numbers, and you can also delete the existing phone number. You can easily manage the contact, and then you press save like that. This is the contact saved. But if you want to delete it, there is the option to delete it here. And this will delete it from your Google account. You will see the Google account used for this, and you can delete it. If you choose the option to block the contact, it will not allow that person to call you or send you messages. If you delete the contact, you will still get messages and calls, but you will not see the contact name. And here there is another confirmation, so I press delete. There is one more confirmation to move the contact to bin, and now it's gone. The contact is gone, and I can show you now. I will make a phone call from my iPhone here. That's the contact name, and I will try to make a call, and here now it will show just a number. It will show just as a number without a name. And that's how you delete the contact from your Android phone. You can do it in a similar way on iPhone, and you can edit the contact if you wanted to change it, but if it's better to delete the contact if you don't need to have that contact anymore, to organize your contacts and not have things that you don't need there. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you organize your contacts so you have only the contacts you want in your contact list. Thanks for watching.